everyone, in today's quick tutorial, let's crochet this beautiful crochet Rakhi. This is a very beginner friendly pattern. So without further ado, let's get started. All you need is some weight 3 cotton yarn in two colors. You can also use weight 3 acrylic yarn. With that I am using 2.5mm crochet hook, small amount of glue, some pearls and beads like this, a small hook like this. This is just to insert the pearls and beads here, and a tapestry needle. Don't forget to keep a scissor handy. We will first start by making a magic ring. To make a magic ring, hold your yarn like this. Then wrap this yarn around your two fingers and hold it with this finger. Now you can see a nice X shape. Insert your hook under this yarn and slowly pull the other yarn to this side and hold it like this. And now take this working yarn slowly out of this loop. So this creates a magic circle. After making a magic circle, we will make one chain first. After making one chain, we will make 12 half double crochets inside this magic circle. So to make a half double crochet, yarn over once, insert your hook inside the magic circle, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all the 3 at once. So this completes one half double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3 at once. So I just made 2 half double crochet. Similarly, make 10 more, totally 12 half double crochet, and then I'll show you what to do. After making 12 half double crochet, pull the tail of the magic ring. So you can see this is the first half double crochet we made. On top you can see this chain gap here. So there, insert your hook, yarn over and make a slip stitch. Now pull up a lengthy loop like this. Take a small bead, insert your bead here. After inserting the bead, so you can see this is where I made a slip stitch. So into the next chain here, insert your hook, yarn over and make a slip stitch. After making a slip stitch, we will make 5 chains now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After making 5 chains, skip this very first chain and into the second chain from the hook, insert your hook, yarn over and make a slip stitch. So this is the first slip stitch. Again into the next chain, insert your hook, yarn over and make one more slip stitch. So after making 2 slip stitch, into the next chain here, we will make 3 single crochet in the same chain gap. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both the loops. So this completes one single crochet. Again into the same chain gap, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops. As usual, make a single crochet. And now again into the same chain gap, we will make one more single crochet. So we made 2 slip stitch, 3 single crochets, and now we are left with the last chain here. There we will make one half double crochet. So to make a half double crochet, yarn over once, insert your hook in the last chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all the 3. After finishing this, into the next chain here, insert your hook, yarn over and make a slip stitch. So this completes one. So we will now make the second one. So pull up a lengthy loop, insert a bead, insert your hook into the next chain here, yarn over and lock your bead. After locking the bead, as usual, make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, skip this first chain. Into the next 2 chains, make 1 slip stitch each. So 1, and into the next chain, second one. After making 2 slip stitches, into the third chain. So this is the third chain. Here we will make 3 single crochet. So insert your hook, yarn over, make your first single crochet. Again into the same chain, second single crochet. Again into the same chain, third single crochet. And now into this last stitch here, we will make a half double crochet. So after making the last half double crochet, into the next chain, insert your hook, yarn over, and make a slip stitch. So this completes the second one. And now, as usual, pull up a lengthy loop, add your pearl here, and then lock the pearl in the next chain. And then from there, make 5 chains and repeat the same, and then slip stitch this in the next chain. So repeat the same around, and then I'll show you how to complete this Rakhi. So you can see I repeated the same around. I just need to make the last one. Now after slip stitching, pull up a lengthy loop, add your pearl, lock your pearl in the next chain gap, and as usual make 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 slip stitch. Into the next one, 3 single crochet. After making 3 single crochet in the last chain, make a half double crochet. And now at the base of this pearl, you can see a gap here. There, make a slip stitch. After that, make 1 chain. After making 1 chain, leave some length of yarn and cut your yarn. Trim the tail of the magic ring. We will now weave this tail. Take a tapestry needle, insert your yarn, and just pass the yarn through adjacent loops. Trim the excess yarn. So this completes the Rakhi. Now we will make the tie. To make the tie, take white color yarn. You can also use the same color yarn if you don't have white color. Now we will insert the Rakhi here. So take a tapestry needle, insert your yarn, insert in any of the loop and in the opposite loop, and slowly pull it. Make sure the Rakhi is at the middle. And now we will make a knot here and here. And now add pearls and beads this side, and then we will make a knot here. So add pearls and beads this side. If you want, you can also add tassels here. If you are adding tassels, then take 2 strands of tie instead of 1. I have a detailed video on how to make the easy and quick tassels. I will leave the link in the iCard above here. You can go and check. Now we will add this here. So add a tiny amount of glue and just place the pearl. So this completes the Rakhi. Hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.